Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. And then let's tap on device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Tap on fingerprint, of course tap on agree and next. We have to set the regular screen lock before we'll be able to set the fingerprint, so just choose the option you'd like to use and then tap on continue or next. Now let me quickly add the screen lock, and now we can add our fingerprint. Let's tap on add fingerprint, and as you can see here we've got the sensor which is located under the screen, so all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So make sure to change the position of your finger to add all of the edges, all of the areas for better recognition. Okay, let's tap on done. I don't want to. And here we've got the fingerprint section. And this is the fingerprint we just added. You can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. Here we've got the quick launch fingerprint animation, so you can of course customize it. Just tap on it, I'll tap on the option. And now all we have to do is to actually lock our device and check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.